Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your pal Oliver Awesome back here again, and today I'm going to be going over something that doesn't really get acknowledged on YouTube, and that is Animal Crossing on DSi. Um, if you, and to be honest, if you don't know what that is and you're hoping for a game, then you'll probably be better off watching some other video, but Animal Crossing did technically happen on the Nintendo DSi, just not in a way we want. And because these two apps hardly get acknowledged on YouTube, and in fact I haven't actually seen like videos going over these, I say we change that. I don't know whether or not I'm the first person to go over these, but if I am, then hot dog, but I can't really blame anyone for not wanting to, because there really isn't much to see. Okay, so the first Animal Crossing thing we got on DSi was yeah, we've got Animal Crossing Clock and Animal Crossing Calculator. These were the two Animal Crossing. No, not Rhythm Paradise. These were the two Animal Crossing apps we got. Like, these were the closest thing to Animal Crossing on the DSi, and I'm going to do a video going over them, but I'll show you the calculator app first, since that doesn't really have anything on it, but um, this app is nothing special. You just get, it's just a calculator. Um, yes, it does the bell sound every time you make a math question. Like that. See, what I used to do was I used to hit the equals button multiple times, just for the sake of having that bell sound. As you can hear, it has some sound effects from Wild World, and this is probably a customer guide, nothing too exciting. So I'm going to come out of that. That's pretty much all of Animal Crossing Calculator. By the way, I wanted these apps, but I wasn't able to get them. But Toby bought them for me, so I was very happy for that. The next app we have is Animal Crossing Clock. So I'm going to show this off. This app has a bit more functionality to it, but it's nothing really much. And what you can do is you can have your clock display type either analog or digital. The analog option gives you the clock in Let's Go to the City. The digital option gives you the clock in Wild World, and you have the option to switch between a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour one. Now you do have a town tune option. I never really explored this option too much, but you do have the option to set a town tune to play at the top of every hour, but I haven't actually been in this app long enough to hear the town tune app, so I can't really give you much of an opinion on that. And if we go over here, we have settings. And time offset, I don't know what that... Oh. That's a set option, I'm guessing. And set clock gives you the option, asks if you want to change the system clock, but we don't want to do that. And just an energy saving option, but we don't need to get into that. And the help icon, that's just the instruction booklets that explains how to use it. And if we come over here, we have the option to set previously saved times or just another time. Okay, we don't need to do that. Once you have selected a specific time, you can then set an alarm. So you can choose what hour you want and whether you want AM or PM. If you hit apply, it will set the time. Alarm sound, important one. You can go... This is what the first one sounds like. I'll play you the first one real quick. That's just the sound you get when you catch a fish or a bug. And if you come to the second one, that's Rossetti's theme. But I never use it because it would just be annoying. And theme 3, which is my favourite, is this. The 1 PM music for Wild World. Oh, and this is if you have saved sound recordings. You can use them for this as well, I'm guessing. But that's not really... Oh, and you hit that icon if you want to cancel it. But that's about it for this video. Nothing really too special or exciting, but just know that Animal Crossing did happen on the DSi. It's just not in a way we'd expect. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys with something a little more interesting.